Hello everyone. Chalo, in the last lecture we completed numericals based on lowering of vapor pressure. Today we will solve numericals on the basis of similar two colligative properties. One is depression of freezing point and another one is elevation of boiling point. Do you remember the formulae? So delta TB, that is difference in boiling point, or we call it as elevation of boiling point, and that is equal to Kb into m. M is molality. Write this. Delta TB is equal to Kb into m. And if we put value of m, then we get formula delta TB is equal to 1000 W2 Kb upon M2 W1. Okay. And what is delta TB? Delta TB is boiling point of solution minus boiling point of solvent. Okay, these are all related to elevation of boiling point. Now depression of freezing point, same properties. Delta TF is equal to Kf into M, or delta TF is equal to 1000 W2 Kf upon M2 W1, and in this case it is reverse. See here, TB minus T0B. In freezing point we have to write T0F minus TF. Solvent have higher freezing point than solution. Okay, so based on this we will solve numericals. Note this and take down the first question. Okay, so 0.15 molar solution, 0.15 molar solution of a substance boils at 373.23 Kelvin. Boils at 373.23 Kelvin. Calculate molar elevation constant of water. Calculate molar elevation constant of water. Given boiling point of water is 373.15 Kelvin. 373.15 Kelvin. Very simple question. What is given? 0.15 molar solution, means molality is given 0.15. It boils at, so boiling point of solution, we denote it as TB. What is the value given? 373.23 Kelvin. And calculate elevation constant of water. Elevation constant of water means we have to find Kb value, and boiling point of water is given, that is 373.15. Boiling point of water is T0B, 373.15 Kelvin. Okay, now what is the formula? Delta TB is equal to, formula is delta TB is equal to Kb into M. But what is delta TB? Write the formula properly. TB minus T0B is equal to Kb into M. Now put the values. TB is 373.23 minus 373.15. Kb we have to find into 0.15. So Kb is equal to, shift it here. What is the difference? 0.23 minus 0.15. So this is equal to 0.08 na? 0.08 upon 0.15. So it is 8 upon 15. Calculate this, divided by 15. So what is the value of Kb? 0.5. 15 5s are 75 and 5 again 0. So 0.53, isn't it? So Kb value is 0.53. What is the unit of Kb? Kelvin. Kg per mole. Remember this value. This is standard. Kb of water is 0.52 actually. Here we get that value as 0.53. And Kf for water is also fixed. It is 1.86. Right at the top of the page. Right at the top of the page. Kb is equal to 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole for water. And Kf is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole for water. Both values are for water. Characteristic value of solvent. And most of the times we use solvent as water. So these are standard values. Okay. Next question. A solution containing 1.21 gram of camphor, 1.21 gram of camphor into bracket molar mass 152 in 26.68 gram acetone, 26.68 gram acetone boils at 329.95 Kelvin. 329.95 Kelvin. The boiling point of pure acetone is 329.45 Kelvin. 329.45 Kelvin. Calculate molar elevation constant of acetone. Calculate molar elevation constant of acetone. Again same like previous question, but only the thing they have not given molality. Read the question carefully. Solution is prepared by dissolving. What is it? A solution containing 1.21 gram of camphor. So camphor is solute here. So W2 is 1.21 gram. Molar mass is 152. So M2 is 152 gram per mole in 26.68 gram of acetone. So this is W1. Acetone is used as solvent here. So W1 is how much? 26.68 gram, and boils at, means this is the boiling point of solution. So it is TB. What is the value? 329 point how much? 95 Kelvin. And T0B, boiling point of pure acetone is given. That is pure solvent is 329.45. 329.45 Kelvin. And question is, what is Kb? So what is our formula? Delta TB is equal to 1000 W2 Kb upon M2 W1. Okay. Find delta TB first. So what is delta TB? Delta TB is TB minus T0B. What is TB? 329.45 minus 329, it is 329.95 minus 329.45. So that is equal to 0.5 Kelvin. Right? Put that value in this equation. Call this equation 1. So putting in 1. What do we get? 0.5 is 1000. W2 is how much? 1.21. Kb we have to find. This is for acetone. So we will not get 0.53. 0.53 is value for water. For acetone it is different value. And upon M2 it is 152. And W1 given is 26.68. Rearrange this. So Kb is equal to 0.5 into 152 into 26.68 upon, if we multiply this 1.21 by 1000, what will be the value? 1210, isn't it? 1210. Okay, chalo, simplify this by log numerator and denominator. 0.5 is bar 1.6990, log of 5. 152, 15 into, what's the log? 15 into 1818, and 26 in 68. 26 in 68.
4262.
4262. Add these values. 10, 17, 20, is it 3070? And what is the log of 1210? Denominator we will subtract. 1 2 in 1, 12 in 1, log 1 2 in 1,
0828.
0828. Subtract this, log of numerator minus log of denominator. How much is this? So this is equal to 2248. Check its antilog. What is it? Antilog of this 22 in 4 2.
1678.
1678. 1678. Characteristic is 0, so it is 1.678. And this is the answer, KB. Unit Kelvin kg per mole. Kelvin kg per mole. Okay. Next question. A solution is prepared. A solution is prepared by dissolving. A solution is prepared by dissolving 1.9 into 10 raised to minus 2 kg. 1.9 into 10 raised to minus 2 kg ammonia in 400 gram of water. 400 gram of water. Calculate elevation in boiling point. Calculate elevation in boiling point if Kb for water is 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. Kb for water is 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. Simple. Read the question carefully. What is given? Solution is prepared by dissolving. So dissolved amount means this is solute. So it is W2. What is the value? 1.9 into 10 raised to minus 2 kg. We want this value in gram. So that is equal to 19 gram, right, into 1000. 19 gram. Then it is dissolved in 400 gram of water. So water used is solvent. So W1 is 400 gram. 400 gram. What else is given? Kb is given. Kb is how much? 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. And question is, what is elevation in boiling point? Means we have to find delta Tb. Put the values in the formula. What is it? Delta Tb is equal to 1000 W2 Kb upon M2 W1. Put the values. This is 1000 W2. W2 is 19. Kb. Kb is 0.52. M2. M2 means molar mass of the substance. Which is the substance used? It is ammonia. So what is M2 for ammonia? Yes, nitrogen 14 and 3 hydrogen. It is 17 gram per mole. Yes. So here it is 70. And W1 is 400. So simplify this. What do we get? Delta TB is equal to 10 into this 0.52. This 0 I cancelled. So we get that value as 19 into 5.2 upon 17 into 4. 17 into 4. 68. Correct, na? You can write directly 68. So this is 19 into 5.2 upon 68. Tell me the logs. 19,
2788.
1.2788 and 52,
7160.
7160. So this is equal to, what is 68 log?
8325.
8325.
25.
Do the subtraction. This is equal to 1623. Check its antilog. What is it?
1453.
1453. Yes. So delta TB is 1453. Characteristic is 0. So 1.453. Unit Kelvin. Delta TB, difference in temperature. Kelvin. It's finished. Next question. Very good question. Next question is, put a star mark. 3.795 gram. 3.795 gram of sulfur is dissolved in 100 gram of CS2. Dissolved in 100 gram of CS2, carbon disulfide. This solution boils at 319.81 Kelvin. What is the molecular formula of sulfur in solution? What is the molecular formula of sulfur in solution? Given boiling point of CS2 is 319.45 Kelvin. 319.45 Kelvin, and Kb is equal to 2.42 Kelvin kg per mole. An atomic mass of sulfur. How much is this? Atomic mass of sulfur is 32. Yes. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32. Read the question carefully and tell me data. What are the given things? Tell Yash. No. See what is given? 3.795 gram of sulfur. Means this is solute. So W2 is given. What is the value? 3.795. 3.795 gram. Sulfur dissolved in 100 gram of CS2. So solvent used is CS2. W1. What is the value? 100 gram. This solution boils at, means this is boiling point of solution. If you don't know data, how will you solve sum? TB, boiling point of solution. How much? 319.81. 319.81 Kelvin. Okay. And what is the molecular formula? And boiling point of solvent is given, that we denote as T0B. And what is it? 319.45 Kelvin. And they have given Kb also. Kb is 2.42 Kelvin kg per mole. Kelvin kg per mole. And question is molecular formula of sulfur. Molecular formula of sulfur. Atomic mass they have given 32. Atomic mass of sulfur is equal to 32 gram. Okay. See. So what is the formula? Molar mass we have to find. Delta TB we can calculate from this. So we can rearrange our formula in terms of M2 and we can write M2 is equal to 1000 W2 KB upon delta TB into W1. Let us find first delta TB. Okay, call this equation 1. Now find delta TB. Delta TB is equal to TB minus T0B. What is TB? 319.81 minus 319.45. So what is the difference? 0.36, right? 0.36 Kelvin, delta TB. Now put this value in 1. Put it in 1. So what do we get? M2 is equal to 1000. W2. W2 is how much? 3.795. Then KB. KB is 2.42 upon delta TB 0.36 and W1. W1 is 100. So this 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. Shift the decimal. If I multiply this, then it becomes equal to 37.95 into 2.42 upon 0.36. Again, shift decimal. 37.95 into 242 upon 36. Okay, this two decimal and this two decimals I cancelled. Yes, chalo. Again, numerator and denominator logs. Log of numerator. Tell me, 37 in 95.
5792.
5792 and 24 in 2.
3836.
3836. And what is 36?
5563.
5563. Chalo, do the calculations. Add these two logs, numerator. Is it 3.9628? Addition, numerator log. And now subtract this denominator. So this is equal to, this is 0, this is 4 and this is 2. 4065, right? What is antilog of this? 4065. 4065.
2550.
So we get M2 is 2550 gram per mole, right? Now we have molar mass, and with the help of molar mass we have to find number of atoms in it. I'll tell you one example and then we'll go back to this. Suppose we have molar mass of oxygen 32, okay, and question is what is formula of oxygen, and they have given atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16, and question is what is molecular formula. So how do we find? Molar mass upon atomic mass is equal to number of atoms present in it. So 32 upon 16 is equal to 2, means we get number of atoms of oxygen in that formula. So what is the molecular formula of oxygen? It becomes O2. Similarly, we have to find how many sulfur atoms are there in the formula, in the sulfur compound, that we have to find. I forgot to adjust characteristic na. This is 2, so it is 255.0, means it is simply 255 gram per mole, right? Chalo. So based on this we will try to find how many atoms of sulfur are there in the formula of, in the compound sulfur. So number of sulfur atoms is equal to molecular weight upon atomic weight. Molecular weight is 255 and atomic weight is 32. Chalo, find out what is the difference. 252, 25 in 5, it is 2.4065. And what's the log of 32?
5051.
5051. Do the subtraction. So this is equal to how much? 5 minus 1, 4. This is 1, 0. 14 minus 5, 9. And here 0. What's the antilog of this? 90 7.14. It is 7969. Characteristic is 0. So 7.969. 7 point means this is approximately equal to 8. 7.9 means 8. So molecular formula of sulfur is equal to S8. Okay. You know na, sulfur is crown shape. Like this. S8 structure is there. So every corner is nothing but sulfur atom. So S8 structure. S8 structure. Sulfur have molecular formula S8. Very good question. We have to find here molar mass. We have to find here molecular formula. Okay. Next. Next question. Find boiling point of solution. Find boiling point of solution containing 0.36 gram of glucose, containing 0.36 gram of glucose in 0.1 kg of water, 0.1 kg of water. Kb for water. How much is this? Kb for water. Standard value it is 0.52. Yes. Kb for water is 0.52. Yes. So find boiling point of solution. See the question. Boiling point of solution means where to find Pb. Boiling point of solution containing 0.36 gram of glucose. So glucose means W2. How much? 0.36 gram. In 0.1 kg of water. W1 is 0.1 kg. 0.1 kg means 100 gram. 100 gram of water. And they have given us Kb. Kb for water is 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. Kelvin kg per mole. Question is find Tb. So to calculate this we should know M2. Isn't it? What is our formula? Formula is delta Tb is equal to 1000 W2 Kb. 1000 W2 Kb upon M2 W1. So Kb we have, W2 we have, M2 we don't have, and W1 it is given. So we have to find M2. How to find? Solute given is glucose. Glucose have formula C6H12O6. So put atomic masses of each atom. 6 into 12 plus 12 plus 6 into 16. So if you calculate, this value comes 180 gram per mole. Okay, molar mass of glucose. Put the values, find delta Tb. So delta Tb is equal to 1000. W2 is 0.36. Kb is 0.52. Upon M2 it is 180. And W1 is how much? 100. So cancel this zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what is left? This is 18 ones are, and this is 0.02 na. See, we can write this as, this is 36 into 0.52 into 10 raised to minus 2. Correct? This decimal I wrote as 10 raised to minus 2, and this is 18. So 18 twos are. So it is 2 into 0.52 into 10 raised to minus 2. So what is this multiplication? This is 10.4. No, 1.04. Yes. 1.04 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is delta Tb. Delta Tb. Kelvin. It means it is 0.0104. Isn't it? If I multiply it by 10 raised to minus 2, delta Tb will be 0.0104. and the question is find TB. We have calculated delta TB. So delta TB can also be determined as TB minus T0B. TB, delta TB 0.0104. TB we have to find minus T0B. T0B that is also not given, but solvent used is water. And what is boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius means it is 373 Kelvin. So this is 373 Kelvin. So shift it there. So we get value of TB, that is 373.0104 Kelvin. This is the answer. 373.0104 Kelvin. Okay. Well, so today we have completed numericals on the basis of elevation in the boiling point, similar calculations for depression in freezing point. We will continue in the next lecture. Okay.